Today we're going to start this tour in the space that matters the most to you as the homeowner, the kitchen. Because let's face it, if you don't love the kitchen, nothing else matters. This is where life begins. Now let's take it from the top. Ready for your next home? Let's talk. This is one-story living without compromise. Whether you're working from home, managing investments, or simply need a quiet place to focus, this dedicated space creates a separation that you'll appreciate. Of course, it's stunning, but a kitchen isn't memorable because of the beautiful countertops or elegant cabinetry. It's memorable because of what happens here: delicious meals, holiday traditions, late night conversations, and moments that become your favorite memories. Just off the kitchen, movie nights become a lot more convenient when popcorn and your favorite snacks are only a few steps away. A covered patio isn't just a nice feature in Texas, it's practically a requirement. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee, dining al fresco, or gathering with family and friends, this space extends your living area outdoors. And if you're building a home, here's a little unsolicited advice. Spend the money on your patio fan. On a Texas summer day, you'll thank me later. It's Texas, y'all. You're welcome. When a long day is done, this primary suite becomes your personal retreat, a place to recharge, unwind, and have a lot of peace and quiet. Transform daily routines into a luxurious escape. Plush robe, soft music, a little aromatherapy. This says spa right at home. The Jack and Jill layout offers the perfect combination of convenience and privacy, connected yet separate, ideal for family members or overnight guests. Private bedroom and bath creates flexibility for guests and multi-generational living. Now for the kids, there may be an application process, good grades, chores done without reminders, and a positive attitude required. Ironically, this may be the most private room in the entire house because nobody comes here unless they absolutely have to. Sweetgrass Haslet has grown quite a bit since we were last here, and I want to share with you the developments, the changes, the growth, so you can see it firsthand. I remember visiting Sweetgrass when it first opened. The roads were new, the pool was still under construction. Today, you don't have to imagine what this community will be. You can see it. Undoubtedly, you're going to have the best home in the community city, probably the entire state of Texas. But at some point, you're going to want to go and explore the things to do around Sweetgrass. And here are just a few. The location of Sweetgrass was worth its weight in gold when the community first opened. Today, it may be worth even more. With quick access to I-35 West, Highway 170, you're well connected to Fort Worth, Dallas, Grapevine, Southlake, DFW Airport, and beyond. And if you've ever battled Metroplex traffic, you know that saving time on your commute is priceless. I have a bonus tour for you, a home with no neighbors behind you. Now, how is that for a good deal? If you enjoy riding along with me to see how real people live real lives throughout our cities, communities, and suburbs, subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up. Now, this tour is different. It's a flash tour highlighting some of the features that make Perry's 80-foot lot homes stand out. Hey, hop in the comments. Let me know your must-have features in a home. These double doors lead to your home office. Your space, your rules. Need a home gym, game room, hobby space, second office? Oh yes, of course, a media room. The beauty of a flex room is that it evolves with your lifestyle. This kitchen isn't just beautiful, it's built for real life. Workspace, home workstation, science projects, crafts, and of course, great meals. Enough room for everyone to gather without getting in each other's way. All my storage lovers, this one's for you. A mudroom that would probably become the unofficial landing zone for backpacks, purses, packages, and everything else life throws at you. This space deserves its own spotlight. You have 2 pantries and a coat closet near the garage. Not 1, not 2, not 3. This home has 4 ensuite bedrooms. That's right, 4 private bedrooms and baths. Guests, family members, teenagers, multi-generational living, everyone gets a little extra privacy. Nature soundtrack included. This particular home backs to mature trees with no direct neighbors behind you. Enjoy your morning coffee while the birds serenade, and by afternoon, they're putting on a full concert. Oh, and don't forget the outdoor ceiling fan. It's a must. Designed for you to recharge, double vanities, double closets. Are you kidding me? Soaking tub and a shower that feels like you just hit the lottery. Well, before you grab your keys, spill your favorite drink of choice all over your clothes, and race right over to Sweetgrass and Haslet, here are a few things that you should know before you go. Well, first, let's talk about price. If you're thinking about building with Perry Home on the 65 or 80-foot wide lot, then you're going to spend around $700,000 in the lower prices, all the way up to, well, it could be north of $1 million. But the price really depends on your floor plan, your lot, and so many other variables. And one of the biggest variables to your price is you. You know how discerning you are and how you like beautiful, elegant things. Well, you can have them. You just may have to pay more for them. So we can get together and discuss all of those details later. The other important thing that you should know before you go is something very specific to the 80-foot wide lots. And these are your extra large lots, and you're going to really enjoy living on them. The 80-foot lots are already assigned a floor plan, which also means the elevation, the facade, the front of the home, whether it's brick, stone, combination colors, that's been determined. Now, if you're able to get in there early enough before they've actually selected the facade, the front of the home, then you might be able to make some changes. And I know what you're thinking to yourself, oh, Tracy, what's the fun in that? I want to build my own home, pick my own things. You're telling me I can't? Well, not so fast. You still have some options. It depends upon how far along the home is in construction. For example, if it's still in the stick stages, just the framing, you have a lot more flexibility. However, once the drywall is installed, there is minimum or no changes to the plan. You're not able to take away the plumbing or add more electrical necessarily. So if you really want to have that fun experience, you may still be able to do some things with the design center, but the longer you wait, you risk having the flexibility and the fun that you look forward to when building your home. Now you may be thinking, hey Tracy, do I really need a realtor if I'm buying a brand new home in a brand new community? My answer to you, unapologetically, is absolutely. And in fact, it's so important that you have your independent representation, your advocate, that the builders will typically pay for your representation. Now, if the builder is willing to pay for your representation, it must be pretty important that you have representation. Oh, and one more important thing. Watching this video is smart. Allowing me to represent you may be your best move yet. Whether you're selling and moving to your next or finding your first, I help people protect and grow wealth through real estate. This is where it's different. You're not a transaction. You're stepping into a new chapter, a new community. We celebrate milestones together, creating meaningful experiences along the way. You'll have access to a trusted network of resources and partners supporting you before, during, and well beyond the move. When you're ready, let's connect. It's not just your house, it's your home.